Hello, in this video we learn how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Now the first thing we need to remember over here is that whenever we are writing the polynomial, whether we are writing the divisor or the dividend, we should always remember that we need to write it in the standard form. So over here, because it's given 1 plus 2x plus x square, what we shall do is that we shall write it this way: x square plus 2x and plus 1. Then we need to write the dividend inside. So we shall again see if everything is in order. Yes, it is. So we write 3x cube plus x square plus 2x and plus 5. Now to determine what do we need to take in the quotient, what do we do is that we divide the first term over here, which is 3x cube, by the first term of the divisor, which is x square. Now 3x cube divided by x square gives 3x. So we write 3x on the top, and then we multiply the divisor by 3x and write it over here. So over here we shall get 3x cube plus 6x square and plus 3x. Now we shall subtract, and when we are subtracting, we need to remember that we need to change the sign in between. Otherwise it may be difficult and it may become confusing. So whatever is the sign, we inverse or reverse the sign. It was 3x cubed, so we put a negative, plus 6x square, we make it a negative, and minus 3x. Now we shall write down 3x cube minus 3x cube obviously cancels. X square minus 6x square makes it minus 5x square. 2x minus 3x is minus x, and then we bring down the last term, which is plus 5. Once again we repeat the same process. We divide the first term by the first term. Minus 5x square divided by x square is minus 5. So we write minus 5 on the top, and then we multiply the divisor by minus 5 and write it underneath. So it will be minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5. And then once again we shall subtract, and we get minus 5. Okay, now we need to change the signs over here. So this will be plus, this will be plus, and this will as well be plus. Now when we subtract, 5x square and minus 5x square will get cancelled. Minus x plus 10x is 9x. Plus 5 and minus 5, they get cancelled. Now we are left with 9x. So over here, this on the top is called the quotient, and this one which we are left with at the bottom is the remainder. So this is how we divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Let's take up another question and proceed the same way. So we need to rearrange minus x square plus x minus 1, and then we write the, now over here minus x cube is the highest power written in between. So we shall write minus x cube first, then 3x square, then minus 3x, and then plus 5. Now we repeat the same process. We divide the first term by the first term. Minus x cube over x square is x. So we write x on the top. So this will be minus x cube minus plus x square and minus x. Now we shall subtract. For that we need to change the signs. So we put, we put a plus over here, a negative and a plus. Now we shall subtract. So we are left with x cube and x cube, they get cancelled. 3x square minus x square is 2x square, minus 3x plus x is minus 2x, and then we have a plus 5. Once again, 2x square over minus x square gives it minus 2. So minus 2, and then we multiply once again the minus 2 with the divisor. So we get 2x square minus 2x and plus 2. Once again we subtract. So for subtracting we change the signs. So it will be negative, positive, negative, and then we subtract to get our remainder. Now 2x square and 2x square, they get cancelled, 2x and 2x get cancelled, 5 minus 2 is 3. So our quotient is x minus 2 and the remainder is 3. I am sure how to divide a polynomial by a polynomial, the process and the approach is clear. Thank you.